Let's get started. Today we will learn about some cuts of mutton and goat meat. This is a sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. This is a goat. A baby goat is called a kid. This cut is called leg. This cut is called shank. This cut is called saddle. This cut is called loin. This is called French trimmed rack. This cut is called shoulder. This cut is called neck. These cuts are called ribs. These cuts are called chops. These are called steaks. This cut is called breast. This is mixed diced mutton. This is ground meat and it's called mince. These 5 are inner parts known as offal. This part is called head. These parts are called trotters. This part is called tongue. This part is called tripe. This part is called heart. This part is called liver. Thank you. Hope you found this video interesting and informative. We welcome your valuable feedback. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Take care.